Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for coming back. If you are new here, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today we are going to be doing a simple, or at least I tried to make it simple, but we are going to be doing this look today. It's real easy. It's a cut crease with no concealer. So yeah, it's real easy, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. My bad, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all what this brush was. Yeah, this is a BH Cosmetics. And then I'm just taking the shadow and going in circular motions. And then I'm gonna take this blender brush and just blend this out. Oh my god, my rubber band keep on popping. I hate these little, look at that, these little plastic rubber bands. I'm taking the mix and medium right now. And this is also good if you got hooded lids, because this helps with transfer. So this helps the shadow not to transfer to your lids. Okay, mix and medium, look at that. This is so pigmented, y'all. So I really do like the fact that I was able to use the mix and medium to do my cut crease. I might try that more often with different shadows just to see how I work out. But it was definitely way more easier than using concealer. So I'll let y'all know. I'll keep y'all updated on that.